This is a scam website. You've probably seen one before. The scams are all over the internet these days, trying to steal your information, your usernames and passwords, credit card numbers, personal data, anything the fraudsters can get their hands on and turn into cash. This particular scam targets the U.S. Postal Service. We see these all the time. Verify your shipping address, your package has been delayed. Just fill in this form with all your data and the mystery package will arrive. It's tempting. Heck, let's give it a shot. Because I know this is a scam, I'm not going to use my own real data. Instead, let's use the first Doug. Alright, I filled in my shipping info. Let's click continue. Shocker. It wants my credit card. It's time to rewind and go back to where I probably should have started. My name is Josh. I work at Allure Security. Our mission is to rid the internet of scams. Specifically, scams that leverage the trust people have in the brands they know and recognize to steal their private data, which ultimately leads to fraud. These scams have been exploding lately. Over the last 2 years, we've seen the number of scams increase by a factor of almost 10x. Today we're approaching 500,000 new scams added to the internet every month. That means we got a lot of work to do. Let's get to it. What you're looking at now is an email alert from Allure Security. We've identified a new scam, this one targeting the U.S. Postal Service. Our software picked this up when it was scanning new websites recently added to the internet. It's important to mention that this scam does not use typo squatting. Old-fashioned domain monitoring would not have caught this site, but we excel at finding scams no matter what they're named. On this site, the page title and logo both match what our artificial intelligence recognizes as the Postal Service brand. Our brand recognition AI is unique. Nobody else has anything like it, allowing Allure Security to find more brand impersonations more quickly than anyone else out there. Within the alert itself, you can see some key bits of information. The URL that the scam is hosted on, this homoforum.searchathethetable.net domain. A confidence score, indicating how certain Allure Security is that this is a scam, and you can see we're 95% sure on this one. And a screenshot of the scam website itself, and you can see that down below. Makes it really easy to verify that what we're looking at is clearly impersonating the USPS. Now once we've confirmed a scam that impersonates our customer, we begin the response process. Our multi-pronged approach to mitigating these scams is another key way that we're different from other providers out there. Allure Security's response always starts with blocklisting. We've got a network of partners who give us the ability to block access to a scam website from over 95% of internet-connected devices within minutes. Now this scam's been submitted to our partners, so let's go back and try to browse to it again. As you can see, things look different. I've got McAfee Web Advisor installed on my machine. It's warning me to stay away from the site, but it's not just McAfee. If I click through and visit anyway, I get another even bolder warning. This one comes from Google and is telling me there's a deceptive site ahead, and it's making it really difficult for me to get there. I'd see the same on Apple or Microsoft products. At this point, the scam is effectively mitigated, but our work isn't done. At the same time as the site's being blocked, we've got our trick up our sleeve at Allure Security, one that allows us to turn the scam around on the scammers, to effectively destroy their business model, and could lead to them revealing their identities. To do this, our AI-based system injects realistic but useless data into the scam site. We call this Decoy injection. It's one of our superpowers. No one else does it. We'll save explaining the value of this deception and the details of how it's done for our next demo. Next, we kick off the process to remove the scam site from the internet permanently. Our team handles all aspects of the takedown process. Generally, within a day, the cleanup is complete. Whether you're looking to offload the entire brand protection program for your business, or you're looking to augment your existing policies, process, and tools for finding and eliminating more online impersonations, Allure Security offers a flexible service that will allow your business to proactively find and put an end to scams that use your brand, before those scams turn your customers into victims.